Hello and welcome to this quick tutorial. Today I will show you how to get your own logo into BattleTech. Let's jump right in. You need an image program of your choice. I'm using Photoshop, and you need to type in the exact values that I'm using. It's 256 by 256 pixels in size. And make sure the background is transparent, then click Create. Once done, place your logo onto the canvas, and my method is dragging and dropping. If you've succeeded, you will see that you either have a background on your logo or not. Mine is already cut out, and it is important that you cut out yours if it has a background. Now go to Edit, Transform, and flip the image vertically. This is also very important. And make sure the image size is exactly like I displayed here, because otherwise the file won't work well. Now go ahead and save the file. I'm using the Save for Web option in Photoshop. Make sure you choose a file format that supports transparency. That is imperative. In the next step, you need to choose a website that can convert your file format into a DDS file. I'm choosing this website as it worked quite well for me. Upload your file and then make sure the target format is DDS and hit the Convert button. The converted file will be displayed below, and then go ahead and download that file. You will be transferred to another site. Click on the link and download it. Search your computer for the file that needs to be replaced. You can see the paths that will lead you there, either Steam or GOG. And the file that you're looking for is the one that is highlighted, the 156 DDS. And it's important that you check which file contains which logo. The highlighted file contains the Paradox logo, which I don't use. Any file that you see here will be overwritten, so make sure if you want to keep it that you save it at a place of your choice. Now copy the file name. I'm using the one that I highlighted, and then go to your DDS file that you've just converted and paste in the exact file name that you just copied. Now drag and drop that file into the directory so that it replaces the already existing file. Okay, fire up BattleTech, go to Manage, Update Profile, and then in the logo collection you will find your logo. Choose it, save it, and you're done. I believe this is the easiest way, so give it a try and let me know what you think. See you around.